What's going on YouTube? We back in another reaction video. Today we back with time is relative, the twin baby experiment, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if y'all don't notice, like I'm feeling kinda sick a little bit, bro, so I'm kinda like hazy. I don't know if that's the word to use, but I feel sick, so but we grinding by any means necessary, you know what I'm saying? If I had one eye, I would still come in here, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, we got this twin baby experiment, so we're gonna see what they're talking about with this one. Oh, and the channel's after school if y'all want to know. It look like ASAP Science, low key.
Is time moving faster? We've all heard the
Yeah,
cliche phrase,
it has
but
been
according to
lately,
physics,
low
time
key.
is actually moving slower. 100 years ago, we believed that time was the same for everyone and everything. We were
I
all
thought it was.
participating in the same ticks of the clock. Every interval of time was the same as the one before, and it moved forward in a linear, uniform progression. However,
I
in
don't know what you just said.
1919, Albert Einstein demonstrated that
That's
time
kind
is
of clean.
relative with a theory of special relativity. He discovered that time slows down or speeds up depending on how fast you move relative to something else. We know that when you travel
This
faster,
ring
for
light is
instance,
killing me, bruh.
time moves
My
slower.
eyes.
This is something NASA has had to account for in their satellites, which move around the Earth at 29,000 kilometers per hour. The
I don't
clocks
know if
on
that's
board
fast
each
or slow.
satellite ticked slower than identical clocks on the ground by about 38 microseconds per day. Each microsecond is 1/1,000,000th of a second. This sounds small, but the high precision of the
What?
GPS system requires nanosecond accuracy, and 38 microseconds is 38,000 nanoseconds.
I
If
don't
these
know,
effects were
but
not
hey,
properly taken into
somebody let me know
account,
what he
a
talking about.
navigational fix based on the GPS constellation would be false after only 2 minutes, and errors in global positions would continue to accumulate at a rate of about 10 kilometers per day. The whole system would be utterly worthless for navigation if we were not able to adjust to relativity. The closer you travel to the speed of light, the slower time travels. According to the theory of
What? Like,
relativity,
bruh,
if
I'm so
two
lost.
identical twin babies were part of an experiment
Okay,
where
here we go.
one baby goes into a spaceship that blasts off at 99.99999%
How
speed
come
of
y'all gave
light,
this one a shirt?
and
That's
the
kind of
other
mean.
baby stays on Earth, the babies would experience time in very different ways. 80
What do you
years
mean?
later, the baby on Earth would be an old man, and the baby in the spaceship would have only aged 1 day.
What?
As it turns out,
How do
we
y'all know
are
this for
moving
sure, bro?
fast.
Cause like,
The
have y'all done
universe
this
is
before?
expanding, and this expansion is
That's kind of
happening at
cool.
an accelerated rate. The farther something is from our
Imagine having a
galaxy,
twin
the
that's a baby.
faster it is accelerating away
That's kind of
from
weird.
us. Eventually, these distant objects move so far away that they fall off the visual cliff and are no longer part of the observable universe, at least from our perspective. The light from the galaxies beyond the visual edge will never reach our telescopes here on
His
Earth.
drawing is fire.
So you might be wondering, if our galaxy reaches the speed of light, could time freeze? Perhaps this is
Could
why
time
time
freeze?
feels like it's accelerating.
No.
If time were slowing down, more events could happen in shorter intervals of time. And we are witnessing a rapid rise in
Dang.
technology, knowledge, understanding,
She kind of
evolution,
bad. Hold
and
on.
extinction, which are all
Never
accumulating
mind.
at an exponential rate. Could this acceleration of events be evidence that time is actually slowing down? If so, then what is this acceleration leading to?
I mean,
Now,
like,
this is a
when would you celebrate
complicated
your birthday
idea
though?
for
Like every
another
like 2
video,
years, 2-3
but if
years
you're
or something?
curious to learn more about Einstein's theory of relativity, check out Brilliant, a problem-solving website that teaches you to think like a scientist. You get to master concepts by solving fun
Is
and
that it?
challenging problems, which makes learning fun.
Oh,
Brilliant's
yeah. All right, y'all. That's it for that video.